Hi Dotties! I'm Minnie, and today you're probably wondering what are we doing today. My cousin has like birthday very soon. It's probably after her birthday when you're watching this, but I'm making her handmade board with her childhood photos. I have her photos here and I have the frame. I thought that it's very cute, so I will probably glue everything here. I also have this sheet of paper. So first I will cut this one. I'm not good with scissors. I will cut triangle now. It's looking like this. I was thinking of like putting the triangle something like this. Right now I will probably add, something like this. I will use this smaller ones like the stars. The same goes with the already cut, things. We got the first photo ready. It's looking like this one. I can't show you what is on the photo, but we have the first one. I have another photo here. I will use probably most of them because the frame will be, well, kind of big. So yeah, so I forgot to like record myself while talking and be like, what right here? I forgot. I'm doing this right now. So this is the photo. This is the result that I wanted to show you guys. Thank you so much, Dotties, for watching. I love loving you and see you next time.